Hi friends, my name is Vikas. I welcome you all to at my YouTube channel Need Crash Course. Before starting this video, I request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can make more videos and directly you can get the new videos. So let's start today's topic, that is structure of pollen grains. The other name of the pollen grains there should be microspores. So microspore has two main layers, that is the exine and intine. So pollen grain has two main layers, exine and intine. So exine is further two types, act exine and end exine, and the outer layer is known as act exine, the inner layer is end exine. Further, if we further describe the different layers of the act exine, that is the foot layers and then pectin. So the exine is made up of the sporopollenin. Sporopollenin is a chemical substance which is resistant to an enzyme, acid and base. So this is the resistant, and due to the presence of sporopollenin substance, the pollen grains can be preserved for long period of time, and in the fossils they can preserve as the fossils due to presence of sporopollenin. So it's very important to learn. And the inner layer is known as intine, it is smooth layer, and the where the sporopollenin, you can say the exine is absent, and in that place there is known as germ pore. From the germ pore the pollen tube will arise on the stigma. When pollen grains will present on the stigma, then stigma give the nutrition to the pollen grain, and the germ pore will arise into the germ pore into the pollen tube. So the pollen grains has two cells. Generally they have two cells, generative cell and the tube cell, and this tube cells is also known as vegetative cell. This larger cells in the pollen grain is known as tube cell, and this is the tube nucleus. And in the cytoplasm, this contains the dense cytoplasm, and in this the generative cell will float. Mostly 60% angiosperm plants shed their pollen grain at two cell stages. That these two cell stages, generative cell and the tube cell, and rest of the angiosperm shed their pollen grains at three cell stages, right? So after falling on the stigma, the pollen tube will arise, and this generative cell will undergo the mitotic division, and they will form the two male gamete. And these two male gamete carried by the pollen tube, and reach to the ovule. There the pollen tube carry these two gametes, male gametes, for the fertilization process. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query please comment. Thank you.